What color should I start with?
It's like the Krabby Patties.
That's why I got them. Which one you gonna start with? I got the blue one. Nope. I got the blue one. No, you. I was lying. You can take the blue one. I'm gonna get this one.
And then I want red. Wait.
We'll see who finished first.
Okay, hand sanitizer.
Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, this is a review for Sugar Factory in New York City, son. I don't even know how to start this, man. I wanted to do a review in there, but it was mad and loud and ratchet. So we doing one outside. So I'm gonna let her start it off. So Big, how you feeling about Sugar Factory in New York right now?
It's not worth the hype. It's mediocre. Like, I don't want to say it's like an Applebee's, but regular. It's not worth the hype.
I went to the one in Miami first. That one was it was nice. For your first time, you know, it was cool and stuff like that. But now that I came to the New York one, it's definitely not the same from Miami. It was wild. It was definitely wild. Also, how long did it take you to get your regular soda?
My regular soda, my little small ass can of soda.
It took
maybe 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. Basically, we ate our appetizers.
He got his drink. Fucking
What?
mashed potatoes from the store. Store-bought mashed potatoes.
Store-bought mashed potatoes, bro.
Hard asparagus.
The asparagus was mad,
Hard
yeah.
steak. I mean, the steak was okay, but towards the end of the steak, it was just ugh.
That's because you got a well-done steak. That's what happened.
I picked up my neck and it spit it in.
Honestly, that place is just not it, man. Like,
well, not this location.
not this location, but if you're not a juice drinker like that, then don't even waste your time going there unless you super like candies and stuff like that. The service in there is complete and utter garbage, bro. I swear. The dude came to us and asked us what we wanted. We said, yo, we want the appetizers, we want the burgers. We don't know what drinks we want yet. So let's just start off with waters. And then she said she wanted a Pepsi. Bro, she didn't get her Pepsi until I started eating. I started eating my entree. She didn't, and we asked 5 times. So honestly, I would not recommend going to the one in New York if you even want to go to Sugar Factory, bro. I would not recommend this shit. It is not hyped up to what it's supposed to be. It's mad ghetto in there. It's not good, bro. Let's try to give this joint a rating. I'm giving it a 4.
Oh.
4 out of 10. I don't like that shit. The waitress was not good at all. We didn't even get our waters. We did not get water. And we water drinkers.
I'm still thirsty for my water. I'll give it a 6 because I like the music.
Yeah, their music was popping. That's the only thing that was popping. Everything else, the little burger joints was good though. The little burgers surprised me a little bit. But that's everything else wasn't really it for me. But like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content, man. This was just something real quick for y'all. Just to tell y'all what's really actually going on here in New York, man. All right. See y'all next time with it.